Welcome friends to Literature Mantra. I'm Harsh Singh. Now, if you are preparing for CUET PG English, then make sure you are aware of the tentative dates that NTA has already released. NTA ने tentative date तो निकाल दिए हैं, दो official notification अभी तक नहीं आया है, but बहुत जल्द वो भी आ जाएगा. Because if you look at the website of NTA, वहाँ पे CUET UG level का notification already आ गया है. And next comes PG. CUET PG. So very soon the notification of CUET PG will also be out. Now if you see here CUET PG ये वाला जो पेज है it doesn't have the notification of this year yet. And if you see on the website of NTA जो notice board इन लोगों का है अभी तक CUET UG level का notification आ गया है. And the notification of CUET PG will be similar to this and very soon it is expected. If you are an aspirant of CUET PG English मतलब MA इंग्लिश की अगर तैयारी कर रहे हो आप लोग देन मेक श्योर यू आर अवेयर ऑफ द डेट्स टेंटेटिव डेट्स एंड द टेंटेटिव डेट्स आर इन द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जून. सो CUET PG English and all the other CUET PG subjects are going to be held during that time, roughly during that time, जैसा कि tentative dates है. So make sure you join some professional guidance program. Considering that this is a all India level entrance exam, this is not going to be easy, and especially when DU, JNU, Jamia and all the major universities are likely to participate. And if you are preparing with self-study, then the least that you should do is at least join a test series. और कोई भी test series मत join करना, join a good test series, something which is up to the level of Delhi University and JNU. And if you want, you can join our test series. It begins on the 1st of March. It includes 10 full mock tests and of course sectional quizzes of all the sections that are specified in the syllabus. मतलब syllabus of CUET PG. Now, अभी तक अगर आपने syllabus नहीं देखा है for CUET PG English, then let me show you that syllabus. Now, first component जो है history of English and Indian literatures, major authors, text and literary movements. So सारा कुछ है इसमें तो. After that, Indian writing in English. Now, this is the thing where many students get confused because there are so many Indian writers, what to read, what to leave out. यहाँ पे major authors हैं, then texts including English translations as well as history of Indian writing in English. उसके बाद literary terms हैं. Now यहाँ पे बहुत सारे literary terms दिए हुए हैं, allegory, ballad, blank verse and blah 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 blah. Figures of speech भी mention किया हुआ है यहाँ पे. So figure of speech अगर mention कर दिया then they can ask many other things as well. So the questions may not be limited to this list. Now after that, literary genres. Now here they have mentioned many of these genres: fiction, non-fiction, diary, drama, novel, poetry. Now बहुत ही broadly ये state किया हुआ है. So it means that any other new genre that has come up that can also be asked in the exam. और यहाँ पे bracket में लिखा हुआ है etc. Etc means questions need not be limited to this list. Now after that, comparative literature and translation studies. Now comparative literature and translation studies is a discipline in itself. So be careful when you read comparative literature and translation studies. Do not ignore this. इससे अच्छे खासे क्वेश्चन बनते हैं. And after that, literary criticism and theory. Now here, classical and modern criticism, Marxism, structuralism, post-structuralism, feminism, eco-criticism, post-colonialism, ये सब तो सारा है ही. And after that, awareness of current literary trends, events and awards. Now to complete a vast syllabus like this, at least you should join a test series so that you are able to judge yourself. And as I said, in our test series, 10 full mock tests are included as well as sectional quizzes on all the sections of the syllabus. And for more information, just WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296.